The U.S. Army's XM30 program is designed to replace the Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle with a next-generation platform built for the future battlefield. This effort brings together leading defense companies, including American Rheinmetall Vehicles, Textron Systems, Raytheon, L3Harris, Allison Transmission, and Anduril Industries. Together, they are delivering a solution designed to meet the U.S. Army's combat vehicle modernization requirements. The platform features a lethal unmanned turret equipped with a 50 mm automatic cannon and third-generation FLIR systems, enabling superior target acquisition and engagement. The turret is optimized for a two-soldier crew, using next-generation technologies to enhance efficiency and combat effectiveness. Onboard active protection systems provide high levels of survivability against modern battlefield threats. A common ground combat systems infrastructure ensures overmatch today and the adaptability required to maintain overmatch in the future. The American Rheinmetall Vehicles Lynx XM30 delivers advanced firepower, protection, mobility, and power generation. Textron Systems, the US-based partner for the Lynx XM30, brings strong expertise in combat vehicle manufacturing and integration. Raytheon integrates its multi-mission launcher and Coyote counter-UAS system, providing soldiers with a decisive advantage against aerial threats for decades. L3Harris delivers compliant mission systems, cybersecurity, and advanced communications, enabling rapid adaptation to evolving threats. Allison Transmission supports hybrid electric propulsion, improving mobility, efficiency, and enabling silent operations. Anduril provides a common tactical picture and advanced command and control capabilities, enhancing situational awareness and reducing cognitive burden for XM30 operators. Lynx XM30, the future U.S. Army IFV.